Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show GCash Face Verification problem. System error. Please try again later problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management, click on app list, scroll down, click on permissions, turn on all permission on GCash app. Go to Play Store, click on search bar and search GCash. Update GCash app if available on Play Store. In this way, you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.